Have you ever wondered how the bright red ketchup on your fries or burgers makes its way from the farm to your table? Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey inside a modern tomato ketchup factory, where thousands of tomatoes are transformed into the smooth, tangy condiment that millions of people enjoy every day. It all starts early in the morning. Trucks arrive, loaded with fresh, ripe tomatoes. You can almost smell the freshness in the air, the faint scent of earth, and the morning dew clinging to the tomatoes. The sunlight glints off the crates as they are carefully unloaded. Each tomato is vibrant red, firm, and ready to begin its journey. From above, the factory looks enormous, like a well-orchestrated machine in motion. Inside, stainless steel conveyors stretch across the factory floor. Workers in uniforms and hairnets move efficiently, checking machines and monitoring lines. And at the heart of it all, the tomatoes, plump, juicy, and perfectly ripe, are about to be transformed into ketchup. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll follow these tomatoes through every step: washing, sorting, crushing, cooking, quality control, bottling, and finally, shipment. It's a fascinating journey that combines precision, technology, and a little bit of culinary magic. The first step is washing. High-pressure jets spray the tomatoes from all angles, removing dirt, leaves, and any small imperfections. You can see the tomatoes tumbling inside rotating drums, glistening as the water washes over them. It's almost mesmerizing to watch. Next comes sorting. Advanced cameras and laser sensors scan each tomato. Overripe or damaged ones are automatically removed, while only the best move forward. Workers monitor the line closely, ensuring the system catches every single flaw. Its precision meets human care. As the tomatoes move down the conveyor, the rhythm is almost hypnotic. You can see the shiny red fruits rolling smoothly, guided by mechanical arms. Each tomato is examined, every batch carefully controlled. This combination of technology and human supervision ensures only the finest tomatoes proceed to the next stage. It's fascinating how the factory maintains quality at such a large scale, handling tens of thousands of tomatoes every day. And all of this happens long before any of them are crushed or cooked. After sorting, the tomatoes enter the crushing machines. Massive mechanical blades slice and mash them, separating the skins and seeds from the juicy flesh. The result is a thick, rich pulp, flowing like liquid velvet through stainless steel pipes. Steam rises gently as the warm pulp moves through the pipelines, giving off a fresh, earthy tomato aroma that fills the factory. The vibrant red color is eye-catching, almost like molten jewels. It's this pulp that will form the very base of the ketchup we love. Operators constantly monitor the pulp, checking temperature, thickness, and texture. Tiny samples are sent to the laboratory for analysis, where experts verify that the puree has the perfect balance of moisture, flavor, and consistency. Every batch must meet strict standards before moving forward. The entire process is fascinating to watch. Raw tomatoes transformed into a smooth, flavorful puree ready to become ketchup. The precision, the motion, and the aroma make it clear why this factory produces thousands of bottles every single day. Next, the tomato pulp moves into the massive industrial cookers. Here, it's heated and stirred continuously, thickening as it transforms into a rich, flavorful base. Sugar, vinegar, salt, and spices are added in precise amounts, blending together to create the signature sweet and tangy taste. Steam rises from the tanks as large mixing blades rotate slowly, ensuring the ingredients are evenly combined. The color deepens to a dark, inviting red, and the aroma becomes more pronounced, warm, savory, and unmistakably delicious. Even minor adjustments in temperature or spice ratios can dramatically affect the final flavor. That's why expert operators monitor the process carefully, making sure every batch tastes consistent, just like the ketchup you know from your fridge. It's remarkable to think that a few simple ingredients, combined with technology and precision, can create something so universally loved. The pulp has now been transformed into thick, perfectly flavored ketchup, ready for the next phase. Once cooking is complete, the ketchup passes through fine industrial filters. These remove any remaining seeds or lumps, leaving a completely smooth, luxurious texture. The result is ketchup that pours easily, coats your fries perfectly, and tastes exactly as it should. Samples are collected for rigorous quality checks. Experts test color, pH levels, thickness, and taste. Only batches that meet these strict standards continue to bottling. Every step is meticulously monitored to ensure consistency and flavor. After passing inspection, the ketchup is pumped into holding tanks. Here it waits, ready for the bottling line. Seeing the transformation from raw tomatoes to thick, red, flavorful ketchup is truly fascinating, a perfect balance of technology, food science, and human care. The bottling line is a marvel of engineering. Empty bottles move along the conveyor, first sterilized with steam to ensure hygiene. Then, high-speed nozzles fill each bottle with the exact amount of ketchup. Caps are placed automatically and tightened precisely. Labels are applied, batch numbers printed, and quality checks performed. Any bottle that doesn't meet the standard is automatically removed from the line. Only perfect bottles continue. The filled bottles are grouped, shrink-wrapped, and packed into cartons. Robots stack pallets neatly, preparing them for shipment. Watching this level of automation is incredible. Every step designed for efficiency and quality. From the moment the first tomato arrives to the moment a bottle rolls off the line, the process is seamless. Precision, technology, and care ensure that every bottle of ketchup is perfect. Finished pallets are transported to warehouses. Forklifts move them to their designated spots, and storage conditions like temperature and humidity are carefully monitored. Each pallet is labeled with batch numbers, expiration dates, and destination information. Finally, trucks arrive. Pallets are loaded carefully, doors closed, and shipments sent out to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes. The ketchup has completed its journey from farm to factory to your table. It's a combination of advanced machinery, quality control, and logistics, all working together to deliver the ketchup you enjoy daily. From the fresh tomatoes arriving at the factory to the smooth, tangy ketchup in your bottle, every step is handled with care and precision. What starts as a simple red fruit becomes a product that adds flavor to millions of meals around the world. Next time you pour ketchup on your fries, burgers, or eggs, take a moment to think about the journey it made, from the farm, through high-tech factories, and finally into your kitchen. Thanks for joining us on this behind-the-scenes tour of how tomato ketchup is made. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating food stories and factory insights.